See, currently, as of yesterday, the total number of new registrations is 7,98,000. This is the number of applications submitted, and out of that, about 5,30,000 have already been approved. So that is about the new registration. Migration, the number is now well beyond 70 lakhs out of 86 lakhs.
So, sir, do you think the real test of the GSTN would be in the month of September when everybody would start filing the returns?
You see, we are starting the functionality for uploading invoices next week. So I think that functionality will be a very important one, because we want all the businesses, particularly those generate very large number of business-to-business invoices, that they should come and upload their data on our system. So the load on our system will keep on increasing from that point of time. We are ready for it. So whether it is return filing, invoice uploading, our system has been designed to take care of the entire load, and we are confident that our system will be able to handle the load very easily.
So, sir, as we understand that GSTN is the IT backbone of GST, so how will you make sure that all the small traders that have yet not registered will be registering in some more time?
You see, the registration depends on the person. So whenever a person wants to register, and he has to keep in mind the provision of law which says that within a month of the date when the liability to register arises, he has to register. So our portal has the functionality of registration open 24 hours, so they can come anytime and register themselves.
So, sir, how do you plan to tackle with all the difficulties that might arise with the GSTN registrations?
See, if the person who wants to register goes through the help files, the user guide that we have put at our portal, and we have put a number of videos and computer-based, video-based tutorials. If they go through that, they will have no problems in registration. But if they have any problem, they need to contact our help desk, and help desk will guide them and help them to complete their process.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.